The power of takeoff. Landing is common. Takeoff is art. Bird takeoff shots are storytelling and show power, tension, emotion, direction, and intention. Wings down, feet lifting, energy exploding. Watch the body language. The bird lowers its center of gravity. Feathers tighten, the head leans forward. Micro wing flick before launch. That's your cue. Takeoff frames create strong diagonals. Wing symmetry, feather texture stretch. Water splash drama, for shorebirds. Landing is predictable. Takeoff is explosive. Camera settings, mode, manual or shutter priority. Shutter speed, 1/2500th to 1/4000 sec. Aperture, f/5.6 f/7.1. ISO, auto. Drive mode, high-speed continuous burst. Autofocus, AFC. Focus mode, expand, zone AF. Lens used, 400mm, 500mm prime for isolation, 100 to 400mm for flexibility. Teleconverter, 1.4x, if distance is unavoidable. Gear, accessories. Monopod, for mobility, gimbal head, if using heavy telephoto, fast UHS-2 memory card, buffer matters. Pro tips. Pre-focus where takeoff is likely, branch, water edge, rock. Shoot slightly wider, cropping later preserves wingtips. Leave negative space in front of the bird, directional storytelling. Shoot at eye level to create emotional connection. Golden hour backlight equals glowing translucent wings. Watch bird body language. Leaning forward means launch. Next time you see a bird, don't wait for it to land.